Hello, today I'm going to make an unboxing video as well as a brief setup tutorial for the Wacom or Wacom Intuos. So just to give you a brief overview, this is a drawing and graphics design tablet which can be used in a variety of arts programs as well as editing photography in Lightroom and Photoshop. So I personally purchased this for editing my photography and I wanted to try my hand at learning how to do digital artwork. So when you purchase this particular tablet from Wacom, you also get one free piece of software, like art or editing software, when you go to the Wacom website and register your tablet. If you do purchase one of these tablets, make sure you register it online because you need to do that for the manufacturer's warranty if you have any problems with your tablet. One quick side note, I had already shot this unboxing, but the video file corrupted, so there's usually protective plastic packaging around the tablet itself and the pen, but those have already been removed in this video. So as you can see inside the box you get this very neatly packed graphics tablet. The tablet has 4 express keys here along the top which you can assign to different commands in whichever program you're using. And there are some small rubber stoppers on the back of the tablet to stop it from sliding around on whichever desk or tabletop you're working on while you draw. The tablet is 7.8 by 6.3 inches and weighs 230 grams, making it very lightweight and portable. As well as this, you get a USB connection cable. There are also Bluetooth versions of this tablet available, but I went for the wired version as it's a little bit cheaper. And then of course you have the instruction manual, which shows you how to get started with your tablet, and the pen itself, which you use to draw on the tablet. As you can see, there are 2 buttons here on the pen which you can assign different commands. The most common configuration I've seen in these tutorials on how to set these up is for one button to be undo and for one button to be right click. A common concern among people considering buying one of these tablets seems to be that the plastic nib and the pen will wear down over time because of the friction. From my research, people who've used the tablet have said that this will take about a year to happen. But if you just unscrew the top of the pen, you will find that there are 3 replacement plastic nibs inside, so you shouldn't let this put you off from buying the tablet. The pen feels very comfortable to hold, and giving it a quick test on the tablet, it feels very natural, almost as if you're actually drawing on real paper. So you connect your tablet to your computer by the USB port here on the top left of the tablet, and this small fabric loop on top of the tablet will easily grip onto and hold your pen, so you can slide it in and then put it into your bag if you're on the move or travelling around. So I'm going to connect my tablet via USB and show you how to install the drivers and get started with your tablet. So the first step is to connect your tablet to your computer using the USB cable, and then open your browser. And then you want to go to wacom.com/start/Intuos. And here you'll have the option to download the relevant drivers for your operating system. So just go ahead and click Mac or Windows and it will start the download. Quick side note, if you're on a Windows operating system you'll need to restart after installing the drivers, but not if you're on a Mac operating system. So now the download is done, I'm just opening the driver installation package. Double click on this, and it opens the usual installation window that you get on Mac or Windows. So you just go through this as normal. Then you click install. I've just sped the process up a bit here. I was a bit confused here because this popped up. So it just opens up the user agreement here and this application, the Wacom Desktop Center, and a few extra applications were installed with the Wacom. So now the installation is done and this pops up, a Wacom welcome guide giving you a quick run through on how to use the pen buttons, how to use the express keys, how to use pen hovering. So this gives you the option to use the pen as your mouse, and you can get rid of the mouse entirely if you get used to it like this. Pen mapping, and the option to register your device, and then the installation is complete. So in the Wacom Desktop Center you get the options to change your pen settings, your express key settings, your on-screen control settings, and to run the setup wizard. So everything you need should be all within this one application. So those are the basics you should need to get up and running with your Wacom Intuos tablet. Thank you for watching, I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in my next video.